welcome to my channel. In this video I want to explain how can you use Coca-Cola in our daily basis. How can you use Coca-Cola in our daily basis or in our normal life. So if you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe for more healthy videos, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Here I have Coca-Cola, the sample. So Coca-Cola, it contains nutrients, and also it contains some ingredients. For example, Coca-Cola, it contains carbonated soft, it contains carbonated water, it contains sugar, it contains caramel, it contains phosphoric acid, caffeine, and acidulant. Yeah, but also it contains nutrition information such as protein, carbohydrates, fats, and sodium. Okay, so in this video I'm going to explain some of the uses of Coca-Cola in our daily basis. So the first one is we are going to use Coca-Cola for cleaning the toilet. So let's begin. Okay, so the next task we are going to use Coca-Cola to clean the mirror. So let's begin. Some of the tips which I've explained of how can you use Coca-Cola in our daily basis. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.